Hey everyone, it's Nick Valenti with NJ Valenti Art, and in today's video I'm going to share a quick tip for vector illustration and design when using Affinity Designer. Whenever you use strokes or effects in a design or illustration in Affinity Designer, there is one important option we need to pay attention to, and that is Scale with Object, which you can find here in the Strokes panel, Scale with Object, and also in the Effects panel. When you click on the cogwheel, Layer Effects, down here at the bottom, if we have any of these effects selected, we would then click Scale with Object here. If we were to scale this down, watch what happens to the stroke when we downsize it. The stroke gets all blown out and disproportionate and becomes much thicker than the original stroke we set. So let's do that again, but first we're going to select Scale with Object for the stroke. And now you'll see when we downsize it this time, the stroke stays in proportion with the rest of the shape, so it holds the initial stroke shape that we wanted, keeping everything in proportion. You'll want to do the same thing if you've added any effects to the object, once again by clicking on the cogwheel under Layer Effects, Scale with Object, and that'll hold the distance of this drop shadow, whether we scale it all the way down or we want to scale it back up. It'll keep everything in proportion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this quick tip video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you're struggling with any aspects of Affinity Designer, whether it's the designer persona, pixel persona, or the export persona itself. Thank you again for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Keep chasing your dreams, and until next time.